cotton gin changes everything. All of a sudden, cotton became 50 times more productive. When Eli Whitney made the cotton gin in 1794, he didn't realize that this was going to be the outcome of his product. But because of the cotton gin and because it becomes so valuable now, textile mills can start making massive amounts of more wearable, more comfortable cotton products. And now that it becomes more productive, Southern plantations are going to switch over from tobacco and other products to making strictly cotton. It became the #1 export in the United States all the way through the Civil War. Over half of all exports are going to be accounted for as cotton throughout that antebellum period. It became so important that the entire economy became built around King Cotton. 2/3 of all the millionaires in the United States at the time of the Civil War were from the South. The most millionaires in the United States were from South Carolina. What's going to happen is, as cotton becomes more important, the plantation owners are looking for a way to produce more. This is a global market. 92% of the British textile cotton came from the Americas. So as we get more people demanding that cotton, we're looking simply at supply and demand. So if we think of demand right here, and we can see that more people are demanding it, supply and demand curve, if that's price, the price of cotton is extremely high. So what we're going to see is that all of these plantation owners are moving into the West. Here's a population graph. Here's before, here's after the population. The darker the green color, the higher the population. Each dot represents 1,000 bales of cotton. We can see that cotton is moving into the West. And with that cotton, we can see that the slave population is also moving to the West. And what does that mean for the slaves as they're moving into the West? It means families are broken up, and it means fear of change in that situation. But that's all because those plantation owners wanted to increase supply. Now that might drop the price down a little bit, but they're producing so much cotton that they're making up for it. So we can see supply and demand, not only in terms of the cotton market, but also for enslaved people. And as the cotton production is moving into the West, as King Cotton is growing, that's also going to be impacting the Native Americans that are living in that Western territory.